In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read and create JSON objects in Power Automate. Power Automate can be a fantastic tool for automating tasks, and understanding how to manage JSON within it is an essential part of harnessing its full potential. So, let's dive right in and explore this process together. First things first, we need to add a compose action to your flow. In Power Automate, actions are fundamental to building your automation, and the compose action is particularly useful as it allows you to manipulate data without writing a single line of code. To find this, head over to the Action menu and search for Data Operation Compose. This action will essentially allow us to input our JSON data, so let's get that set up. Once you've found it, go ahead and add it to your workflow. Now that we have the compose action in place, it's time to enter our JSON structure. JSON, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format that is used to transmit data between a server and web application. In the Inputs field of the compose action, you'll paste your JSON object. This JSON object could come from any source. Perhaps it's data extracted from another workflow, or maybe it's being dynamically generated from a variable. Remember, Power Automate allows you to incorporate dynamic content and variables, providing versatility to what you input here. With our JSON set up in the compose action, let's move to the next important step, adding the Parse JSON action. This is crucial because parsing your JSON means interpreting it, making the attributes accessible for further processing in your flow. Once again, use the Action menu to search for Data Operation, Parse JSON. Add this action to your flow so we can begin working with the data. Now, for the contents of this Parse JSON action, you will select the dynamic content that contains the JSON text you wish to parse. This could be something like the body output from an HTTP request, or perhaps it's information being fetched from a variable. Here's where we hit the key step in our flow, the schema. The schema is essentially a map that indicates to Power Automate what properties and data types it should expect from the JSON data it's parsing. To create this, you'll see an option to generate from sample. Click this, and you'll be prompted to paste a sample of your JSON data into the dialog box. Don't worry about complicated structure here, just ensure your sample reflects what your actual data will look like. Once you paste it into the box, Power Automate takes care of the rest, automatically generating the schema that will guide your flow. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you've set up Power Automate to read and create JSON objects. This capability not only enhances the efficiency of your flows, but also opens the door to integrating with web services and APIs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy automating!